This is TE Connectivity's Corelink mechanical fiber splice for single mode and multimode fiber. It is a plastic device with V grooves to align the fiber and a clamping mechanism to lock the fibers in place. Let's show you how to use it. We're going to splice a 250 micron fiber. First, let's strip the fiber. Here is the key to open and lock the mechanical splice channel. 2 keys come with the orders of 12 or more of the Corelink mechanical splices. If you order less, you would have to order the keys separately. Now let's cleave the fiber. First, clean it with the lint-free wipe and isopropyl alcohol. The cleave length is 8 to 9 millimeters. We put the fiber in the 250 micron groove of the fiber cleaver. One click and fiber is cleaved. Now we need to open the channel of the splice. This is done by inserting the key into the key slot and rotate it 90 degrees downwards. Now we have to insert the cleave fiber into the alignment channel, which is the fiber until it stops. Keep the pressure and lock the fiber in place by rotating the key 90 degrees upwards. Remove the key and now the fiber is firmly locked in place. Now let's do this to the other side. First, use the key to unlock the channel. We strip and cleave the fiber. Remember the cleave length is 8 to 9 millimeters. We can now insert the second fiber in the alignment channel until it stops. Keep the pressure. Lock the fiber by rotating the key upward 90 degrees. Now both fibers are locked in place firmly. This is the finished mechanical fiber splice. It works for both single mode and multimode fiber. The Corelink mechanical device works for both 250 micron bare fiber and 900 micron type buffered fibers. Please refer to this instruction sheet for more detailed information. We have this project in stock at fiberopticforsale.com. Order it by following the link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and Vimeo channel for more fiber optic training.